Let's get into it. Okay, top level constant macros. I decided not to do this, but I have some refactor notes for the problem. Const macros by system. Conways constants. We've added this constant section. We have a mask for all of the useful bits of our binary geometry tile for the geometry layer, geometry used. And there's two bits that aren't used down here. So in order to shift this into the least significant bit position, we need to shift it to the right by 2. So we mask by this, we shift by this. Now I'm not using this shift anywhere. Let's keep on going here. This is a bit for flagging something as to create it, to make it. This is a bit for flagging something to delete it, right? To kill it. And these are possible names we could have used for these. So this is just a reminder to use this. Data by system. In the Conways top level data section, we made a big bug right here. These are fixed now. They were originally all negative, but this needs to be -1, 0, and +1. Bug is fixed now. In the Conways rule set number 1 section here, we have added a about this function section, a little reminder about how we write our code, some monkey wrench macros, and then here are our flag bits for making a tile or deleting a tile. Here's some debugging to make sure that the shorthand variables are equal to the top level constants that we created, or actually the Conways constants for these flag bits. Okay, down here, we need to refactor this and say U32 is either a U32 tile for U, the center tile, the tile in the center, and then U32 nah for the neighbor tile, the tile that's around you. Okay, down here, we're going to do our first pass where we loop through every single simulation tile, get the tile, figure out if the tile exists, and then down here we're going to, also get the neighbor tile here. So this is just refactoring the name here, We split this into multiple lines. We could have put a breakpoint here. And then down here, okay, so kill or make or kill. We're no longer killing or deleting the tile, but we're flagging the tile for deletion here and flagging the tile for making right here. Then we're going to do a second pass through all of the same data, get the tile. If it's flagged for deletion, we delete the tile. If the tile is flagged for making, we make the tile. Otherwise, we do nothing. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm out of time. You can go here, here for a longer explanation. Like and subscribe.